Okay, ARS Mains candidates, we've got a powerful new resource just for you.
Check this out, a brand new full-length mock test to nail your final prep.
And here's the best part. It's curated from 12 years of past papers.
So this isn't just practice, it's a seriously high-yield study tool. We've designed it to feel just like the real 3-hour, 300-mark exam.
All right, let's quickly look at how this thing is broken down. First up, Part A tests your core concepts with 25 short answer questions. Part B then gets into IDM and classification with 10 medium-length questions. And Part C really challenges you with 5 long answers on Epi and Biotech.
So how do you get started? It's super simple, just 2 steps. First, just go to the link you see right here on the screen. Then pop in the passcode 110012 and you're in. That's it.
This is your moment to really sharpen your skills and focus your efforts.
From all of us here, we're wishing you the absolute best on the exam.
And hey, if you know someone else prepping for this, please share this with them.